Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to accept challenge in chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application. You can see over here chess.com application has been opened. Once the application has been opened, make sure you're logged into your account. So if someone has challenged you, at top of your screen, you'll be able to see the notification. You'll also be able to see the username of the person that has challenged you. So if you want to accept the challenge, it is actually very simple. You'll be able to see the two icons over here, cross icon and right icon. If you tap on the cross icon, the challenge will be declined. So if you want to accept the challenge, simply tap on the right icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the challenge has been accepted. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to play the chess with that particular person. So that is how you accept challenge in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.